Yeah, man, Wagwan, welcome forward to the TV, man, and big up the people who always a return and I watch the channel, you see it? Yeah, man, you don't know from where they put it on kind of off the scene, you see me? But she dey over TikTok going with her thing set speed, you see it? But you don't know, she come out and I speak about cartel and you don't know, she talk about Sean Storm, you see me? And don't know where Black Rhino, you know the good thing we are going with Sean Storm and Black Rhino. You don't know them I say, yo. Right now, Pretty Dan say, yo, Black Rhino, welcome pan the Gaza, you see. And you don't know Pretty Dan there said speed, she burn a terrible fire upon Poppy said speed. You don't know them say, Poppy a groupie, and you see it. Yeah, man, every artist forward at Jamaica, popcorn grown them to get a hype and thing, you see me. Yeah, man. And said speed, she all about a fire upon Alkaline, and I say, yo, Alkaline fall off, you see it. So just go and comment down in the comment section when you think about where Pretty Dan there say. But a whole part thing she has say no. So you don't know if you're new around, you remember to like, comment, and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload. You get it right as a forward, and you can check you out over Instagram and on Facebook at Sandy and Bones TV. You don't know a one TV and a realist TV.
Go and reach out and Ray and Tay and Black Rhino go back and forth with him and drop something. One time him and reach out and them look a thing there. When Sean Storm do that the right, you know, he kind of did Black Rhino in a some kind of way because you don't know Black Rhino they get kicked out of camp. Rhino, let me tell you this. I'm in a business when nobody wants to say bad man. You see the way how your break up with the Empire did go on and Ray and certain things did said and rest. You have all man dog if you reach out to no man in Gaza at all. You did, and that kind of no disrespect to you or nothing. That is my personal feeling, bro. You see me? Me no feel like to them that man where you feel reach out to because you know how the thing set me, G. You see me? We are talk about it. We are reason about it. Me go show you a folly right now, me general. When you did do that, you show up yourself because you hype up and go on most way with the still race you and cartel run you out of place and you talk your bag of things and you read. No man from the Gaza now use you because Dan now use you, my general. You shouldn't even reach out to no man for no man shade you. But you forward back. And Sean Storm, you man beat you, no man. Hey, Sean Storm, I'm going to tell you where he set. He said where me set. That's how him set. This the other way. The man say you're not on a way of fee ride. I can't tell you. Sean, it's like your mother tell us you're not a hot dog. Oh, you remember right? Hey, Johnson, what's your name? Oh, you make Rhino tell us you're not hot. Hear me, G? Father. Me say, look for me good, my general. The man say, you know, no way of being right. A cartel have a way of me boy. Because a cartel are the done and a cartel are in general. A cartel everybody want to see. You feel like you deal? Uno not be a war, my general. Uno not even be a thief to no one another and a shade to no one another and a big man. Me tell you, say, look a sissy thing for what you get. Big, you know. I man them a take over a lashing for the girl them in all them sitting there paralyzed, you know. Them they sitting there nasty, Mr. Contam. Body can't draw out on a big long tongue out on the mouth, dog. You see me? Who not talk, who not you fuck. And all cartel him come out and do a kiss up girl every blood. And a rub up and bum buckle and girl. Hungry thing teacher, do teacher not shade nobody. Teacher not red. All he want to do go all around the world, go shop with them. Suck out tongue with y'all. And tell baby, do you want this, baby? Baby, you need this? Baby, come over here, baby. All him baby. Him baby. Mr. Sidam, you may come to. I don't really actually come down to it. You see me have anybody else before I come to it. All right. We could talk about popcorn. Popcorn, you see, you know. One night you go in Mecca. You go in Mecca because Sean Storm in there. You see me? You go knock up yourself. Popcorn, you're hot. Me I tell you that right now, Popcorn. You're not hot, Popcorn. So, me not gonna tell you, say, yo, you're hot, because you're not hot, bro. Right now, in a decade, you're top 10, but right now, nobody now use you. People rather use craft them more than how them I use you, me general. And them they command them. We understand sell out show over England and them thing there. But your career right you're not on a hot song road. And I like say you're running place. When last you running place, Popcorn? That he got you. If anybody want to talk about Popcorn running the place, talk he got you. When last Popcorn running place? Me there saw wait. When last? Alright. You can't tell when last. You will drop a little one song here and here. Have a place in a choke hole. You know have a place govern like a you are the general. Neither alkaline to some I just beat you alone a blow. Remember some me not death fan. But one time the youth the day they are doing thing in did I do it. Alkaline fall off. One time Mr. fall off musically. Alkaline not drop the song. Alkaline not try stay. Go so boom out the sign of the bumbo clot thing. Neither you Popcorn can feel like say tune no big already. Who no not fi drop no bumbo clot song and keep no fans them entertain and read. Other man come get on no fans them and drag them out of no corner and turn them in other things right like Ratty, Patriot and roll a bumbo clot them. The whole of them the man they go get to no look. You understand because no feel like no too big now then have a drop no tune. You them now go so boom and go in a dance and say drop 2 Popcorn right now. Nobody now go in the dance and I say, yo, drop 2 alkaline right now. If man they want to hear skipper, the man they want to hear squash man, and them the tune they are getting money pull up right now. Once you drop Javodan, and them the look man they have his steam. When you drop 2 craft, God, and them the man they have his steam. You see free. So me not sound no steam, Popcorn and alkaline, But some look man steam different, bad man. Who no steam no dead so. Who no steam like almost veteran. I say veteran then. But them you see, who no steam no dead them boy. So when me see you run go up in Popcorn, me I tell you that. Me no business when nobody say about me. You Popcorn a groupie. I look like the Gaza steam. Look for yourself. One cartel the dog jail. You call him name couple times, yes. But I not like say you glorify your dog and I say yo every day. A Spice did I run up and down with cartel name in with all pitch star cartel to go out on stage. That the woman they bring your man career go every where she go every show where she move for. You feel me? I did not like enough of yourself, me general. You enough enough. Because when cartel did that jail, you never did enough of. When Star did that jail, you never did enough of. Nobody never media hear you and say, yo, free Sean Star, man. Sean Star for their road. And you run up now because you're enough up now. And then Sean Star in now say, you Popcorn good man, right now. Right, you hear the man say that for a fix, you're running. You're running because I saw you stay. You're well warrior. You know what? You know what? You have to get like the Gaza Steve now because I hit a yes. And I hit a run because you grew up a long time in a Popcorn and say you stay. As a rapper then come at Jamaica, you have first G-string. As a then come at Jamaica, you have the first wash pan of water to go sit down in front of them to wash their feet. So me not for you, you just one national groupie. If you have one Jamaica flag for you tomorrow, you say groupie of the black. You hear that? Oh, yes, sir. All right. Cartel ticket price them. Why cartel? Make I tell you this, my father. You see, all of your album them, me buy. All of your song them when you put out, me buy. Only one album me never buy and I last one we they put out. Cause me never did get when it come out, me need to travel a lot, so everybody get the rush. So me buy it week after, like probably about a month after. When time it is cool down, so me not really count it, but yeah. You see me I say, all of we support you when jail, we ball. Somehow we not have good night rest because you're that jail and You whole we cry for you. Any little thing what you do with cartel. Mr. Cartel, so you come out and kick off with foot them so far. You see struggles what we are got through. Yes, they pick it them myself. Yes, people are find them. You know how much sacrifice them workless people you are going to put in, you know, teacher. We love you, you know. I'm willing to sell my Clark's collection for it, you know. Right now, I have a brand new Louis Clark at $3 grand for that, you know. You see me, you see that Clark's there? I'm willing to sell that. You see this? All right, I'm willing to sell a chain. I'm willing to sell a chain and a bracelet. Or a watch, but you have to look hard when you're coming in there, you know. You can't even say me sell them, yeah? You can't, if you're going to force me in a corner, then if you're going to tell me, say, yo, if you're going to sell me jewelry and two of me bum buckler and the rest, you can't go on me if you do that because me never force you, dog. Me make me care about you when me dog jail, bro. Care about me.